Auditing is crucial for organizations that have to comply with financial, government, or industry rules and regulations. That's why SharePoint gives IT improved control over site compliance. New audit policies even make it possible to track specific actions on list items and documents. IT can now track when a user edits, views, checks in, checks out, or deletes a list item or document. In this video, you'll see how this works. Let's start by going to Site Settings and configuring our audit settings. We'll turn on auditing for our site so that we can keep an audit log in our documents and items for 7 days. Now pick the events that you want to audit. We'll select all of the options. Now that our audit settings are in place, let's switch over to a user account so we can test them out. First, let's check out a document and make a small edit. Alright, now we'll check it back in. Now, delete the document and then restore it from the recycle bin. So now our document has a history of events. It's been opened, modified, and deleted, and all of this has been captured in an audit log. As the site collection admin, we can now take a look at the report in Excel. Then we'll run a deletion activity report, which shows us the deleted and restored events that were logged. Here's our user, the one we were previously signed in as. Let's find the document we worked on as that user. Staying in compliance is crucial to the health of an organization. That's why SharePoint gives you more control over site compliance and the ability to keep a detailed record of user actions related to your content.